Presenting the 2001 Volvo V70. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include passenger vanity mirror, rear defrost, multi-zone AC, driver airbag, turbocharged, child safety locks, power door locks, and cruise control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.